na grand casserole. My brother, Casala don boss. As me I be there, they glad say we don't get somebody with those balance corona. So corona get for disappear for the whole universe. It get for go. Only for me for getting my shock. See, Dr. Corona have been double strike because Corona come back for revenge. Where Dr. Corona done the battle. Corona vex. So you want to kill me? Go come back for revenge. He give Dr. Corona one backhand so Dr. Corona is cold. So since then my heart is broken. Hey, how am I going to do it with the Corona? We give a little somebody to fight back because Dr. Corona is go. Now imagine Doctor of Corona has been beaten down by Corona to death as I'm talking to you right now. Dr. Corona is up for heaven, seated at the right hand of God the Father, where he get all strong. He's the only way to can see you, my brother. May your soul rest in peace. Chai, how we go do? Una want see the video? Yeah. I mean, I see video where Dr. Corona, he don't fight Corona, so they are surprised for last fight. Corona just come back, give one lashete, so the guy just cool. Hi! Sorry. Una look the video too small.
That's why you feel under that heat.
This is fantastic, man.
Yes, Dr. Duaza. Yeah, the real Dr. Duaza.
No say get that coronavirus, it can. Give small medicine, yeah. I be located for high school for upper my bro.
Peter forever, no. I don't see you again, no, baby. Baby, I don't see you again.
You see? Dr. Corona is gone. So how are we going to battle Corona now? We just pray make some anger help you. It's not easy. So, as I dey talk, Dr. Corona don't go. He up for heaven now. He look way for down. He sorrow way. He don't know how we go do. So, wait till I come report this news and say, sometimes we must at least maybe we not just do things because people they do. You understand? Dr. Corona they the pound garlic, pound jama, pound answer, pound all this one mix them. Sometimes if we learn something, maybe we drink, maybe we do the treatment like say we learn them. Maybe we just not just do like say we be bao, like say we go study how to do that medicine. Country medicine now thing we know with the chop and bed at least. Sometimes you need some counseling for some people the way they don't do so that make you not go make mistake. Because from information entering me, Dr. Corona, I see make that galley, he come drink and stay forget say this one no be matango. Eh? No be kai. You just the drink. You drink sute, it can't drink your intestine. It can't drink all things for your belly. Now, nothing need the function where everything the function confusingly. So this one is they go for other people the way they don't they do Dr. Corona, when they see her all for social media, when now watch out. This one at the beginning of the ending. If you want to do something, watch out. They say anything where you overdo, it will kill you. If you drink plenty water, it will kill you. If you chop plenty, then they go kill you. If you chop banana too much, the sweet, it will kill you. So if you want to do something, people they say try for learn the right proportion, for this medicine before you start the administer and for your body or you start to give other people. Now why that they never approve corona virus medicine? Medicine they plenty, but the one know the one where if you waka for human body, where you no go enter for your body, it scatter all side them. So that they look the right one, they get for test them. You get for do and test them, try them. For different people, they see what I go waka. Not just go, you just they drink 6 glass, it go carry you go. We'll be sorry, say our brother, he don't go. We hope say he go sit down for right hand for Papa God where he get all strong. Huh? Go wait till the day Papa God go put it for judgment. You understand? So where they talk say for the family them for this big loss, make una take heart. Papa God will go console una, he go comfort una. Okay? I'm just reporting, no, I don't not Tory Master. So una fit go, una look at more, una strive to see, una fit advise una own people there, you know. Not just leave people there, they drink anything, like that go plenty. So number 2 Tory today. better Tory. This was so a brother, Cameroon brother, way there for Germany. He don't decide say people that cannot die hungry. You know if he chop with meat not there. You know if he chop with not put something there. You understand now? So he don't open this small company. He dey make this two they call and say smoked chicken. Where they don't spice and where they don't put pepper, put jansa, put what again? Put garlic, mix am fine. We dey call them for Cameroon for people that will come out for grassland say kaati. That one na correct meat. If you see am, I see only video so hungry homie. Hi! I say hungry home, I just calculate one time when I go Cameroon. They put and so put some jama, they put fufu corn, I wipe and so. Hey! And then the man carry someone enter aeroplane, I fly to one man country. Hey! Oh boy, it is made here now in Germany for this Berlin war, they tell you so. So if you want kaate, you want enjoy kaate, just contact Tory Master. I go give you number for the company. Now they go supply you. If you want a 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 carton you talk. For this Berlin, we go supply them for you. Tory Master, I'm working with the producer directly, understand? So contact me, I will deliver to you support. You understand? So if you never see I make a show na small video for Kate original made. Oh yeah, look up. Bang.
Cut. Angebot. Cut. Ever ready. Done by the master.
You see? That is kaate, correct one. They don't spice and fine. As you just take them, so you buy them. If you start one time, you chop for fuko with them. You chop rice, you chop plantain, you chop grease. Anyhow, if you even chop them where you not even cook them, you not even need to cook. If you want them for make them very traditional, then you go buy bitter leaf. You arrange for fuko, then you mix them. But if you not like, I mean say I chop like 2 chicken and not believe I don't already finish 2 chicken. They think the sweet, they don't spice them, put vitamin, oil, body, original, no chemical. If you want enjoy meat, just order for your kaate. Nana so they supply you now as I they talk so. Oh yeah, now yeah. Order for your kaate now. Tell us before you want to know it don't reach your house. This one is super made. Understand? I will give you an update. If you want more information about the kaate, just go down. You take the telephone number and you call original Tory Master now. I will give you the right information of the kaate. This one now, not Tory Master. I'm just being real. You understand? Yeah. So if you never subscribe for my YouTube channel, I beg. Go now, you hit me that subscribe button, though. Follow me for Twitter, Instagram, then for Facebook. You follow me. You share this video. Make we share the video. Make it reach for people that know, make they understand, so that make they adjust, make they be informed like you. You understand? Share the video. Hit the like button. You know. Drop your comment them and okay. Drop comment. Just talk something about. Maybe you put in a topic we want me to Master talk next time. Okay? I'm just keeping real. Stay blessed, stay safe. Cafe.